everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on a get ready with me, like the previous one I did for the Saraswati Puja. This one is also for the Saraswati Puja, but this is quite not different. I would not say that it's different. It's just that I am getting ready for the Saraswati Puja right now, so I thought of filming it and let you guys know that how I get ready in this occasion. So I hope you guys liked it, and the video would be very, like, fast forward kind of a thing, because at that time I mean at this moment I don't have much time with me to explain you what I'm doing, so that is why bear with that. And without any further delay, let's get right into the video.
I'm starting off with a toner, and then I'm going to moisturize my skin with my favorite moisturizer from Aloe Grace. By the way, you're going to get the product details in the description box, so be sure to check that out as well. And now I'm applying my moisturizer and moisturizing my skin, because it is very important to moisturize your skin. And then I'm applying this primer to smoothing out my skin to the area where it is needed, and then I'm setting it. All the videos after my moisturize, and I was in so hurry that I forgot to click on that recording button, and it couldn't record, so I'm really sorry for that. But as of the moment, I'm contouring my skin after applying all the base and all that. And now moving on for my eyebrows. With that, I'm taking an eyeshadow as always and shaping my brows as it is. As you can see, I'm taking light in the front section and then going heavy at the end. And then I am applying a brow gel. This is from Essence. Then I'm moving on to my eye makeup, and for that I'm using a lipstick, and the shade name will be mentioned in the description box, because as of the moment I don't remember it. So I'm taking a little bit of product onto the lids, and then spreading it with the help of my fingers, and then taking a fluffy brush and then blending it with the help of that. And once I'm done with that, I'm wiping off any excess that remains, and then I am doing the exact same thing on the other eyes as well. Now for my lower lash line, I am taking a smaller brush and applying it to the lower lash line and blending it as well. Now this should look something like this. And then I am taking a brown eyeshadow and blurring out the edges that was really visible. And after that, I am done with a wing liner. I have not shown you how I did it because I was running out of time. And then I am applying mascara. This is from Maybelline Less Sensational. And then for the highlighter, I'm using my favorite Makeup Revolution highlighter to the cheeks and the usual areas that needs to be highlighted. And I'm also highlighting my brow bone and the tip of my nose, the cupid's bow, and etc. etc. Now to set my entire makeup, I'm using this makeup setting spray by NYX, and this is a dewy finish spray because I wanted a dewy look that day. And I've also applied some lashes, and these are really gorgeous and a big one. Now moving on to my hairstyle, I have decided to make a bun, as I always do, because I love bun. So for that, I did not have so much of time with me, so I've decided to go with the twist and turn bun because this was easy to make. So basically what I'm doing is twisting and turning the front section, as you can see, to the back of my head, and pulling off the sides so that it looks fuller. And then I'm doing the exact same thing onto the other side as well, and pulling off the sides. And once I'm done with both the sides, remove the clip that I have already applied, and then I'm turning all the hairs into a bun, a regular classic bun that I've already shown you in my other videos. I'll be linking that in the description box as well as in the I button. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to see if I have anything left to fix. And yeah, this is the final look for the bun. And to accessorize it, I am using a gajra because I love wearing gajra, and this is a real gajra which I've bought from Fancy Bazaar. And yeah, it's very heavy, but it looks really elegant when I wore it. So yeah, I'm fixing this gajra to the bun, and it should look something like this. It is so beautiful. I was so in love with my bun that day. And yeah, and for my lipstick, I'm using the exact same lipstick that I've used for my eye makeup, because that kind of make a good look, you know, like the eye makeup and the lipstick is like matching. So, and also it will match to my blouse. So yeah, I've decided to wear the same lipstick, and I'm done with my makeup. For my sari, I have decided to wear this one which I have made by myself. I have bought this fabric, both of the fabric, the blouse and the sari net fabric, and I have also ordered a necklace which is matching to this from Flipkart. I'll be linking this down as well so that you guys can bought it as well. And I have attached this zari work, and my auntie does it for me, and I've bought this zari from fabric store and then attached it, and that's how I made this sari. And some pearl work is also going on into this sari. Okay, so I have not shoot the video where I am wearing this sari because I really didn't have time at that day. So yeah, after wearing the sari, I am wearing this necklace, and with that I'm done with the look. This is the makeup look. And here's the final look. I've decided to wear the sari in a very simple way, and the combination of these two colors are looking really beautiful. I'm so in love with this look. Do let me know in the comment section whether you like it or not. And till then, love yourself, take care, and I love you all.